So in unit 5, the last topic is synchronous condenser. So what is meant by synchronous condenser? Already I told that in V and inverted V curves, the over-excited synchronous machine act as a synchronous condenser. Means it delivers the reactive power which is useful for the power system. So this will act as a normally the capacitor will perform this operation. So the capacitor performs the capacitive. What performs the capacitor means it delivers the reactive power. So the same operation perform the synchronous condenser. So this is a rotating machine. We know that one. Capacitor is a static device. This is a rotating device. Like capacitor bank, we can use an over-excited synchronous motor to improve the poor power factor of a power system. So the first point, very like capacitor bank, we can use an over-excited synchronous motor to improve the poor power factor of a power system. The main advantage of using synchronous motor is that the improvement of power factor is smooth, not that is rough. That's the improvement of power factor is not very smoothly increases the power factor because without operating any load, the synchronous mode, when the synchronous motor act as a synchronous condenser means the motor not operated any load, that is a no load condition under over excited condition. Under no load condition and the over excited condition, synchronous machine runs as a synchronous condenser. So the main advantage of using synchronous motor is that the improvement of power factor is smooth when a synchronous motor with over excitation. It draws leading current from the source. We use this property of a synchronous motor for the purpose. Please see. So this is a supply voltage V, current I is lagging. So here the load current IL, this is a IM, capacitor current. These two causes the magnitude of current is increases and the angle difference is decreases. This is main important. So these two, this capacitor current causes the magnitude of current increases. That is the first one. The angle difference between voltage and I will be decreases. Whenever the angle difference between voltage I decreases, the power factor is increases. We know the power factor cos phi is equal to R by Z. Phi is equal to cos inverse of R by Z. Whenever the value of phi is nothing but the angle difference between voltage and current is decreases, automatically the power factor is increases. The synchronous condenser is used to power lines to improve power factor correction by connecting it along with transmission lines. Advantages: by varying the field excitation, the magnitude of current drawn by the motor can be changed by any amount. This helps in achieving stepless control of power factor. Second point is, the motor winding have high thermal stability to short circuit currents. The faults can be removed easily. Disadvantages: these are considerably losses in the motor. There are considerable losses means friction and windage losses because this is a rotating machine. The maintenance cost is high. It produces noise because this is a rotating machine. Except in size above 500 kVA, the cost is greater than that of static capacitor of the same rating. As a synchronous motor has no self-starting torque, therefore an auxiliary equipment has to be provided for this purpose. So next, last important topic and last topic is hunting. So what is a hunting? Hunting is the phenomena of oscillation of the rotor above its steady state position or equilibrium state in synchronous motor. Hence, hunting means a momentary fluctuation in the rotor speed of synchronous motor. So, hunting means in normal machines, when we load a planes, what happens? The speed of motor is decreases. But in case of synchronous motor, the speed not decreases. So the speed not decreases, but the rotor get oscillation. Rotor stator to rotor angle will be increases and decreasing. Whenever the load increases, the angle delta increases. When the load decreases, angle delta is decreases. If you increase again and again load in the overload, the synchronous motor lost its synchronism. Please see the hunting property, load angle delta. So this way the load angle delta will be oscillates. So whenever we not using the damper windings, there is more oscillations. Whenever we using the damper winding, what happens means the rotor torque will opposite this damper torque. So the rotor torque will be opposite the damper torque. That causes the over oscillations are reduces. Causes of hunting in synchronous motors are sudden change in load, sudden change in field current, a load containing harmonic torque, fault in supply system. Effects of hunting in synchronous motor are: it may lead to loss of synchronism, produces mechanical stresses in the rotor shaft, increase machine losses and cause temperature rise, cause greater surges in current and power flow. It increases possibility of resonance. So how can decrease this hunting property means? The two techniques should be used to reduce the hunting. These are: first one is use of damper windings. It consists of low electrical resistance copper and aluminum brush embedded in slots of pole faces in salient pole machine. Damper winding damps out hunting by producing torque opposite to slip of rotor. The magnitude of damping torque is proportional to the slip speed. Second one is use of flywheels. The prime mover is provided with a large and heavy flywheel. This increases the inertia of prime mover and helps in maintaining the rotor speed constant. Thank you.